I love life. There is joy, peace, and love in my soul. Every day my thoughts are cleaner, more harmonious, and clearer. I see positive in every event of my life. I love the world, and the world reciprocates. Today is the best day of my life. I see each day as a gift from fate. I can feel the happiness and joy that fills me. I wish everyone happiness, love, health, and abundance. I love my life and I love living. Every day brings me new, positive experiences. Every day I bring people joy, light, happiness, and good mood. Every day these positive affirmations penetrate deeper and deeper into my consciousness and become my reality. My life is beautiful and full of love. I have strong intuition, which helps me to make right decisions. All doors open to me. All roads are open to me. Happiness permeates every cell of my body. I believe in my dream because the whole universe to make it come true. Love, trust, and tenderness are the most precious things. That's why I celebrate every day. And I'm thankful for love. I have a firm belief in my success. Every minute, every moment I am enjoying my life. All roads are open to me. Gratitude opens to me the doors of joy and abundance. I am filled with enthusiasm, energy, and strength. I see positivity in every event of my life. I love the whole world, and the world reciprocates. I wish everyone happiness, love, health, and prosperity. I accept the energy of good luck and see my happy future. My dreams come true. I know they do.